Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll have the unboxing of the Fire HD 8. As you can see here, this is a preview of the product, and of course this is the 32 gigabyte. As you can see, a preview of the product on the cover here, and this is a product from Amazon. And let me show you the back. On the back it runs through the basic features. You can see some previews, and of course this is a 8-inch HD display with a resolution of 1280 by 800, so it's basically HD, which is 720p. It has a micro SD slot that can support up to 1 terabyte of expandable memory. It has a quad-core processor, 2 gigabytes of RAM. It comes with dual band AC Wi-Fi. It has a front and rear camera, and of course it supports Dolby Atmos. Now of course you can run down the basic information here as well. You can pause and read. I'll show you this as well. It shows you what's included in Fire 10th gen. So this is the 10th generation. It comes with the power adapter, cables, and of course built-in battery. And of course it tells you about some ad-supported features that basically helps with the price. But of course it's a full-on tablet. Alright, so let's open this up. So in case you have just gotten or thinking of getting one of these, I've kind of this one was already pre-opened, so let's put the product aside here. But cool back. I'm gonna place this over here. Alright, so included in here we would have the documentation and cables. I won't show you every last cable. You can see the hello and welcome. Show you about the Fire 8. It shows you the basic rundown. You can read this through or pause and read, and you can see the basic setup, basically how to turn on the device. Shows you how to angle the adapter and stuff is included in the box. You can see the warranty information and product safety. You can see as well it shows you about Alexa, gives you commands and so on, because these things do come with Alexa integrated. Alright, so you can see the overall pamphlets and general setup. Alright, this is very cool. So we're gonna put this aside. Don't need to show you adapters. We have seen adapters, so we know that's included in the package. As you can see here, the smiley face of the Amazon. This is the rear camera that was mentioned earlier. We can see the front of the device. Love this. Here's the front camera. Nice finish. These thick bezels, but of course that's standard. And this is the general thickness. You can see my thumb here. You can see the speakers. And of course on the back here you have the certifications and so on. And to the side over here you can see volume up and down, power, and of course the AC outlet. That for power, this looks like USB type C if I'm not mistaken. And of course there's the headphone jack. On this side there's nothing. On this side there's a slot for the expandable memory, so you can pop in your SD card here. Like that, the cover is insulated to protect it from water and so on. Alright, so that's the overall tour of the device. As you can see here, we have powered up this one. You can see some of the promotions here, movies and so on from Disney. Alright, so guys, of course it's booting up, and as you can see here, it's up. And of course you can see the interface of this particular device. And of course, if you have ever familiar with Amazon products, this is the run through, all right, of the HD 8. So you can see these are the apps, and of course this is basically a hybrid version of Android, or of course Amazon's version of Android. You can see your search bar here. There is the camera. Alright, so you can see the camera. We have settings. Sorry. So we have settings, and of course you can see the general settings. And of course everything is as normal. Most of the apps and so on come through Amazon, because this is part of Amazon's ecosystem. So you do get the idea of this particular device. I'm going to end the tutorial here. I'll have specific tutorials on this device. So of course if you need any help, or of course if you have any questions, you can ask them below. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.